Hi, today we are going to see a topic from Oracle SQL Plus, that is communicating with the user. Today we are going to see three SQL Plus commands, that is prompt, accept and pass, which helps us to communicate with the end user. These commands enables you to send messages to the screen and receive input from the user, including the return. To prompt and accept, we can send messages to the end user and receive values from the end user input. Okay, actually prompt displays the message you specify on the screen to give directions or information to the user. I will show an example. This gives user the direction to enter the number. See, when I give pass, it waits for the user to press the return. That means whenever it asks the user to enter some value, it waits for some seconds. Whenever we press any key only, then it will come out of it, come out of the script, that will come out of the program. Okay, we will see one script, then only you can easily understand. See, this is the script we are going to execute it. First, we have used the prompt, and we ask the user to enter the title of the report. Okay, and then we are going to accept the title, the name, whatever be the title we are going to give, we will accept it from the user. Then there is one command called ttitle, which displays the title of the report. Title left means it will display the title name at the left side of the screen. Then skip to means two blank lines will be there, and then we need to write the query. Okay, then it will be execute the query and will show the report. We will see how the script is getting executed. See, it asks for the title name. Here I have given salary report. See, on the top of the results, the query result, it shows salary report at the left hand side, and it displayed the query result under it. Okay, so this shows the title at the top of the query result, so that we can easily understand what is the result. Okay, here it displays about the details of the salary. In real-time environment, we are going to write some complicated queries, and query will be a bigger one. Here, just for explanation, I have taken the simple query. Okay, here the title will always be there. Okay, if you want to off that means if you want to erase the title, we need to use the t title off. Otherwise, for all the query results, the title will be displayed. I will show you now. See, for this also the salary report title is coming. It should not be like that. So we need to remove the title. See, now the title is not coming. So we need to use the T title off. Okay. So far we have seen about prompt, accept, T title and pass. We have seen about 4 commands. These are all the things which helps us to communicate with the user. Okay, and we will be seeing some more commands in the next video. Thanks, bye.